Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to take a deep dive into the Nectarblocks theme. So far, we focused on the plugin itself, which is all about building your page content. But the theme is what controls everything else, the structural and styling aspects that sit outside of the content. Here's the distinction to keep in mind. The plugin is where you design your page content, sections, layouts, animations, and everything inside of the editor. The theme is responsible for the rest. Things like your archive pages, single post templates, your header navigation, and a wide range of general styling controls. The two work together. The plugin gives you the design freedom inside of the page, while the theme ensures the rest of your site stays consistent and polished. Using the theme unlocks the WordPress Customizer, where you'll find hundreds of styling options. Here you can adjust typography, spacing, button styles, colors, and more. Think of it as the command center for your site-wide styles. It's worth noting that at the time of making this course, the Nectarblocks theme is a hybrid theme. It does not utilize the newer WordPress full-site editing. However, we provide a system that gives you the same kind of flexibility with the tools that integrate directly into Nectarblocks. That's where global sections and the theme builder come in. We'll dive deeper into these in a later course, but for now, just know that the included theme gives you access to all of this. Global sections let you design content in Nectarblocks and attach it to theme areas. A common example is building a custom footer or a site-wide notice. To make this easier, we've built a visual hook system. When viewing any page on your website, you can click on the Visual Hooks button in the top toolbar to reveal all the locations you can attach a global section to. That way, you can attach your custom content to the right spot without any guesswork. The theme builder takes things a step further. Here you can design complete templates for different content types, like single blog posts or archive layouts. Once created, the theme automatically applies your template to that content type across your website. These are particularly useful when paired with dynamic data fields. So to recap, the plugin handles the page content. The theme handles everything else: archives, single templates, navigation, and general styling. You get access to the customizer with hundreds of design controls. And it's a hybrid theme, which provides global sections with visual hooks and the theme builder for full template control. Together, the theme and plugin give you complete control over your site's content and its structure. In the next course, we're heading back into the editor to cover one of the most important skills: layout fundamentals. This is where we'll build the foundation for how to structure your pages effectively with Nectarblocks.